జస్టిస్ మంజునాథ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో గత కొద్ది కాలంగా రెగ్యులర్గా వార్తల్లో వినిపిస్తున్న పేరు. కాపుల్ని బీసీల్లో చేర్చడం కోసం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు ప్రభుత్వం జస్టిస్ మంజునాథ కమిషన్ నియమించింది. అయితే ఆ కమిషన్ కాల పరిమితి మీద, ఆ కమిషన్ త్వరగా నివేదిక ఇవ్వాలన్న దాని మీద కాపుల నుంచి డిమాండ్ వ్యక్తమవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ జస్టిస్ మంజునాథ గారు ఇప్పుడు మనతో ఉన్నారు. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. వెన్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ ద కమెంట్స్ యువర్ కమిషన్?
See, under the Act, Backward Classes Act, Commission Act, three non-official members are to be appointed. Moment they are appointed, I will commence my work of the commission.
But Chandrababu Naidu government is saying that commission will give report within soon 6 months, within 6 months or 9 months. That they are telling the time limit. Is it?
No. It is for the government to request to the commission to submit its report within 9 months. And thereafter it is for the commission to look into the background of each community and other things and submit the report based on collecting the data, survey and other things. If possible, we will try to give within 9 months. If it is not possible, we may have to request a time may be extended for a few days.
In general, how much time will it take, sir?
I can't say right now unless I commence the work of the commission.
Right now, in your commission, you are the only person. You need to have the some people.
2010 or 11, commission has become defunct. No chairman was appointed, no members are appointed. Therefore, from 2010, even before bifurcation of Andhra and Telangana, function is defunct in Greater Andhra.
You met Chandrababu Naidu. What was the meeting?
It's only a courtesy call. After I was appointed as chairman, I had not seen him even. I had no contact with him. Therefore, as a courtesy call, I went there and met him. And he requested me that he would provide necessary facilities by appointing 3 other members as early as possible. And he also informed me that he would send a reference, terms of reference, to consider the case of opposed demand. And also he informed me that there are the demands from other communities also. As a chairman of Backward Classes Commission, I have to look into the grievances of all other communities. I have not been appointed for a particular caste or group. It's a commission for the backward classes.
So there is a big demand is going on. The BCs are opposing this Kapu people coming into the BCs because the community strength, volume is so high. BCs are very less amount in a caste wise. So is it possible to put them in BCs, sir?
We have to examine the legal position. Normally, as per the judgment of Supreme Court, 50% has to be earmarked for forward. Remaining 50% has to be reserved. In case of Tamil Nadu, they have extended to 67% as a. Now that matter is pending in Supreme Court. Now, for extending beyond 50% reservation, there must be reasons which is acceptable to the courts. Therefore, it has to be considered based on within the legal parameters.
State government can take decision to extend the reservation limit 50%.
Provided there is enough material.
So courts should agree.
Suppose someone challenges. If nobody goes to the court, whatever the report submitted by the decision taken by the government will be fine.
One more thing here, Kapu census are not there like that. News are coming. Is it necessary for the census of any community to put them either in a particular caste or like that, sir?
We have to consider and evaluate. We have to consider the population of other communities also. Because other communities are also given representation to include them under backward classes. Therefore, population survey has to be conducted in detail.
So one more thing, sir. State government has to. Is there any chance to give state government and is a power to give state government a separate GO putting some caste into in BCs or like that? State government would have that power.
According to me, it is not possible because even in the case of Kapos only, when it was included under a separate GO, the same was challenged in this High Court. I am told that High Court has set aside that order and said that this GO shall not give effect to, and it has to be referred to commission. After getting commission's report, it has to be done.
కాపుల్ని బీసీల్లో చేర్చడానికి ఖచ్చితంగా కమిషన్ రిపోర్ట్ అవసరం అవుతుంది. అలా కాకుండా రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం నేరుగా రిపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వడం సాధ్యం కాదు. అలా ఇచ్చినా కానీ అది కోర్టులో నిలబడే అవకాశం లేదు అని జస్టిస్ మంజునాథ్ గారు చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ సునీల్తో శ్యామ్, V6 విజయవాడ.